Hello everyone, I'm here with Nick from St. John Bosco. How did you find the workshops? Did the kids enjoy them? That's the important thing.
I think they were really enjoying themselves, to be honest with you.
Are you all having fun? Yeah! Alright, that's good. Who's ready to learn how to beatbox?
I just sat through one of your workshops. The kids were really engaged.
Everybody dance now!
Listening, trying out all the sounds.
So we're going to say the letter B, but we are going to take away lots of air pressure, little short sound. Have a practice.
I liked that you had a flow through your lesson of some musical elements in underlining there, and the kids really were listening and they could give back to you what you were trying to teach them in the elements of beatboxing.
Yours are beatbox, yes. So each group has been given one beatbox sound, and when I point at your group, your job is to make that sound just once, really nice and strong, and short, sharp and shiny. And again. Here we go. Yeah. Oh yeah, give me some of the claps. Yes, come on up. But you can make whatever pattern you want.
It was quite amazing, actually. I had one of my staff say that they just couldn't look away when you were performing yourself. Not only for the kids, but the adults were obviously really engaged in what you were doing too.
Thank you, Bo Francis. Thank you, Bo Francis. Thank you, Bo Francis. You're cool, Bo Francis. Give Bo Francis a big round of applause. Thank you, Bo Francis. It's pretty cool for techno beats.
Look, and one simple question to finish. Would you recommend the workshop, do you think?
Absolutely, absolutely.
I want you to make that bass drum sound every time my finger touches the card. We'll do it together, ready? Have a listen. He's good, isn't he? Give him a big clap. Yeah. There it is. See, next volunteer. Yeah. Snare drum. We're going to go like this. And again. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. St. John Bosco. And again. St. John Bosco. One more time. St. John Bosco. Here we go. Have a listen. St. John Bosco. All together now.
St. John Bosco!
I can hear you.
St. John Bosco!
One more time.
So I'm glad that you sent it out to the schools and we've taken up the opportunity because I know for the rest of the week this school will be beatboxing.
Yes. Thank you so much for having me and letting me teach you some beatbox. Did you have fun?
Yeah!